Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Chinese New Year is just around the corner and every one of us are busy doing our house cleaning, baking our biscuits and cookies, and of course, decorating our home. Alright, talking about decoration, I have just an idea for you. Watch this. Wow, my Mickey Mouse and friends. So based on the Chinese zodiac, this is the year of rat, which means make it even more auspicious by having Mickey Mouse and friends in your home, and of course with all your favorite colors. The Chinese says 鼠年行大运，数钱数金数不尽. Wishing you a happy, prosperous Chinese New Year and abundance of wealth. If you enjoy watching my video, please give me a like or share my video. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell and give me any comments or suggestions. So I'll see you in the next coming videos. Bye bye.